The state government of West Bengal was pulled up by the High Court today during the Murshidabad violence matters hearing on a plea which was filed by me, where I have I've sought for the compensation for the victims. As you know, most of their houses were vandalized, their livestock was, brought to an end, and they have no means to live a livelihood now. So the court asked them that what kind of scheme they have formulated, if any, but the state government is a shameless government and it has not formulated any scheme. So the court has said that the committee, a 3-member committee which was formed, comprising of the NHRC, the SLSA and the Human Rights Commission. So they have given a list of victims. Accordingly, the kind of damage which has been done to them, the state government has to calculate and assess the entire situation and come up with a scheme by the next hearing. Yes, and the police administration was also pulled up and questioned by the Honorable Court, because the court said that the adequate amount of police was missing. And that is the reason, and this is not just what the court has observed, it is there in the reports. It is also in the report which was filed by the SIT. It is also there which is filed by the Union of India. They have also stated that this was the kind of situation, where you can very well understand that the Lungi Bahinis were hitting to the police, and they were hitting the police over there with hurling bombs and stones and pelting stones, and all this was going on. So this is a direct question which is being asked to Mamata Banerjee government and Mamata Banerjee personally, as she is the police minister herself. So that means with this kind of violence which has prevailed in West Bengal and which is prevailing in other places, especially to a place where you have a 70% majority of Muslims, there the other community is at the other end and they are being tortured. Although we have the police mantri, Mamata Banerjee herself. Mamata Banerjee and the state government, in fact, the advocate appearing for the state government, Kalyan Banerjee, he pointed out that, see, we have worked in for compensation. 20 people were compensated at the rate of 1 lakh rupees each. Where I questioned that hundreds of people, their houses were burnt and they were made to flee the village. You have given 20 lakhs to those 20 people, and now who are these 20 people? If you look at the list, half of them are Muslims, the Lungi Bahinis. So Mamata Banerjee went and gave compensation to those who were involved in the violence.